In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Walmart account permanently. Before we begin, a quick heads up on what account deletion means. Permanently deleting your Walmart account removes your profile, saved addresses and payment methods, and your order history. If you have gift card balances, store credit, or open orders, it's a good idea to resolve those first because you may not be able to access them after deletion. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, and if you use any memberships or recurring services, consider wrapping those up beforehand so there are no surprises. Start by opening the Walmart app on your phone or tablet. Having the latest version installed helps ensure the menus look the way I'll describe. So if you haven't updated in a while, it's worth checking the App Store first. Also, use a reliable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the process. Next, log in with your account, enter your email and password as you normally would. If you have multi-factor authentication turned on, complete that verification step. For your security, never share your login codes or passwords with anyone, and make sure you're signing in to the account you intend to delete, especially if you manage more than one profile on the same device. Once you're logged in, go to the account area. This is typically the icon that looks like a person or may be labeled account at the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device. Tapping this takes you to your profile and settings. Take a moment to confirm you're viewing the correct profile information, like your name and associated email, since deletion is permanent. From there, look for the option to delete your account. You'll usually find it within your account or privacy settings. The wording may vary slightly depending on your app version, but you're looking for delete account. Tap that to proceed. If the app presents any information about what will be removed, read it carefully so you understand what you're consenting to. Finally, confirm your choice by selecting Yes, delete my account. This is the irreversible step. Once you confirm, the app may sign you out, and you might receive a confirmation email letting you know the process is complete. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder. After deletion, the app will no longer show your saved data, and you'll need to create a new account if you ever decide to return in the future. That's it. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll permanently delete your Walmart account with confidence.